In the quiet fields of a mulberry plantation, a remarkable journey begins. Here, the story of silk starts among the tender leaves, kissed by the morning sun. Mulberry trees are carefully planted and nurtured, for these leaves will be the only food for the delicate silkworms. Every row, every leaf grows under careful watch, forming the foundation for the silk that will one day shimmer in light. From tiny moths come clusters of eggs, fragile and almost invisible to the eye. Each egg carries within it the promise of the next generation of silk makers. The eggs begin to hatch, and the tiniest of larvae emerge. These silkworms start their journey, inching along the mulberry leaves, instinctively feeding, growing, and preparing for their incredible transformation. Day by day, the silkworms grow, feasting on fresh mulberry leaves, their bodies plump and soft, moving gently over the greenery. Careful hands provide them with the sustenance they need to thrive. As the silkworms reach maturity, they begin to spin. With incredible patience, they weave a cocoon from a single thread of silk, forming the protective shell that will hold their transformation. When the cocoons are complete, they are gently collected, each one a delicate bundle of shimmering potential, carefully gathered to preserve the silk within. The cocoons are then softened in warm water, releasing the long silk fibers. Steam rises, the threads glisten, and the silk begins its journey from cocoon to thread. Skilled hands or machines unwind the silk, drawing out long, continuous threads. The fibers shine in soft light, smooth and almost magical, ready to be transformed into fabric. Some threads are dyed, absorbing vibrant colors in the warm baths. Each fiber captures the hues, drying slowly under the gentle sun, ready to be woven into beautiful cloth. The silk threads are spun into yarn, then woven into cloth. Patterns emerge, intricate and delicate, revealing the craftsmanship and patience behind every fold. Finally, the silk is complete, smooth, lustrous, and flowing. It tells the story of transformation, patience, and the quiet magic of nature.